Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and today we're doing part 10 of our Vintage Blooms album. I'm so excited to be getting along in these scrapbook albums, and I have a mini album coming along as well for St. Patrick's Day. Well, not really a mini album, but like a mini 3-page set, so I'm super excited to be getting these done and doing some more projects. We're starting off with this pink key background paper that I think is super cute. And then I went with a yellow photo mat just kind of to pull in some of the other pastel colors we've got going on in this album. And then this little flower thing here I cut off of a journaling card, and as I always say, that's one of the best ways you can make embellishments is to just use the paper that you already have and cut out images from that. I'd like to get started on a new album soon, but I'm not really sure what the theme should be. I have a couple of scrapbook pads already that I could probably throw together a little kit for myself with, but I'm just not sure where to start. I know I have a mushroom one. I did buy one for kind of summertime photos, but I'm not sure if I'm ready to start that yet. But if anybody has any suggestions, or if maybe you're working on an album right now, definitely comment down below what you're working on or what you think would be a fun idea to start working on, because I need some inspiration. I copied what I did on one of my other pages in this album, and I made a cute little banner in the corner. I love the way it looks. I used for the middle this little like ribbon embellishment that I had, but I know I didn't like it. I'm not really sure what I put over it, but I definitely do add something to it because it's just a little too plain the way that it is now. And I love using foam dots to kind of create some depth to the page, because if you glue everything down flat, sometimes it just ends up looking a little bit funky, and those shadows can really bring a scrapbook layout to life. And here I am adding that little thing to the ribbon embellishment that I had up there, but I don't even think I like that. I'm pretty sure I go in and add something on top of that as well, because like, I don't know, I was just really bored with it. See, I'm covering it with the flower, I think. I don't know, I did something because I just didn't like the way it looked like. A good scrapbooking tip is if you're stuck and you don't really like the page where it's at and you know it just needs a little bit more, look at the colors that are already on your page and then go look through your embellishments and find something of those colors and just start playing around with where they should go and everything, and then you'll eventually get somewhere to where you like it. And this, I think, is the most magical part of the scrapbook layout, is adding your photo down. This is a picture of me from when I was little, and I know that because you just saw the Amanda written on the back. Otherwise, I literally would not be able to tell. But I love adding the photo. I think it really obviously brings the scrapbook layout to life. That's the whole reason you created it. But yeah, here I am trying to figure out what we're going to cover with that, and I guess it is the hot pink star. Go figure. These little dragonflies are obviously a favorite part of the scrapbook album as well. Just super cute and fit the theme so well. And that's really what we're finishing off the scrapbook layout with. I hope this video inspires you to create something, and if you're interested in having the scrapbook layout as a part of your own album, you can get it at the link in the description, mimilimade.com. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!